Hello and welcome to a new semester. My name is Jennifer Pakula and I will be your instructor for Econ 2 or Econ 4 or maybe both courses. From the Saddleback homepage, click on Canvas. Your username and password is the same as my site. Once you are logged in, you will see your course on your dashboard. Click on the course. I'm using this video for both courses, so if you're enrolled in Econ 2, you will notice a few slight differences. When you enter the course, you will land on the home page. Here you will find this video and links to tech support. On the left side of the screen, you will see several navigation links. Be sure to click announcements every time you log into the course. I post announcements several times a week. There is currently one announcement. Be sure to read it. The next navigation link is syllabus. Here you will find the course syllabus as a downloadable PDF. The course summary shows the due dates of every assignment. The next navigation link is modules. This section of the course may seem overwhelming, but everything you need for the course is located here. I've designed the course to force you to move through the content in sequential order. This helps you keep track of the pages you have viewed and the assignments that need to be completed. You can close the modules by clicking on the small triangle next to the title. Nearly all of the modules have the same format: an introduction page, a link to the reading, a quiz, and a discussion. I use open educational resources that are free and directly embedded into Canvas. I will post an announcement with a PDF of the course content if you would like to read offline. Canvas has next buttons at the bottom of each page to move through the content. However, this can be a little confusing because the readings also have a next button to move through the pages of the ebook. If this is annoying or confusing to you, click the title of the reading and a new window will open up. Here you can see the Lumen Learning website. The next navigation link is discussions. You are welcome to draft and save your responses, but please wait until the assigned dates to participate in forms. Also note that you will not be able to view a discussion until you've gone through the module in sequential order. Grades is next. I try to post scores and provide feedback as quick as possible. I have two little kids that go to bed around 7:30 p.m., so you will notice most of my grading occurs between 8 and 9 p.m. You will receive an email from Canvas once scores are posted. If you need any assistance, check out Student Help and Resources or the college library. Best of luck this semester, and please do not hesitate to email me with questions or concerns.